In 1994, when we purchased a 21,000 square foot building in San Diego, California, we at Sheffield Platers wanted a state-of-the-art facility. One that would meet the exacting demands of California's high-tech industries, along with the state's rigorous and comprehensive environmental regulations. As dedicated cyclists and sportsmen, we had a mission: deliver high-quality metal finishing services while protecting the environment. Sustainability for our communities and families is a calling that possesses us here at Sheffield Platers to this day. Our third-generation family business now serves over 350 regular customers and fills more than 15,000 job orders each year. The company our grandfather Roy founded in 1946 as a one-man silversmith has grown steadily over 17% per year. Our most loyal customers include world-class industrial and high-tech companies like Qualcomm, Lockheed, Tyco, and TaylorMade. We can reliably deliver because we are one of the most technologically and environmentally advanced metal finishing facilities in the United States. More than a buzzword, environmental stewardship is an indispensable Sheffield value. We walk the talk because being green yields better products for our customers, protects the fragile ecosystems we all depend on, and makes for smarter company growth. By minimizing waste and recycling, our processes allow us to clean, etch, and plate parts better, faster, and always at the highest quality. For example, our waste output is minimal, and we don't discharge into the POTW. Working with our staff chemists, we develop metal finishing processes now emulated by industry peers and applauded by government and environmental leaders. We are one of the few U.S. metal finishing businesses accredited by Nadcap. We are also ISO 9001-2000 certified. As a model for the industry, our environmental stewardship has earned accolades from the U.S. Senate along with many government agencies. Sheffield is one of only 3 metal finishers to win the highly regarded Model Shop Award from Cal EPA. We also take an active role in creating the policies that affect our industries. We here at Sheffield work for a balanced regulatory environment for all businesses. Our president, Dale Watkins, is a highly anticipated speaker at environmental and regulatory conferences, as well as metal finishing working groups. We are also active members of organizations such as NASF and the Metal Finishing Association of Southern California. Our commitment to the environment and process improvement ultimately benefits you, our customer. From small manufacturers to global multinationals, we deliver plating that runs the gamut, from gold to Electroless Nickel. From small manufacturers to global multinationals, and from Electroless Nickel to gold, we offer over 32 plating processes. Because of our fanatical commitment to quality, we do everything in-house, always. That way, it's under the watchful eyes of our highly trained chemists and metal finishing technicians. Every customer is assigned a dedicated staff member personally responsible for your satisfaction, even down to making sure our delivery trucks are available for free pickup and delivery throughout Southern California. And our normal 2 to 3 day turnaround is among the fastest in the industry. From semiconductors to heavy industry, look to Sheffield for all your metal finishing needs. After all, we've been here for over 65 years. We here at Sheffield encourage our customers to make on-site quality audits, or come on in and we'd be happy to show you around. Give us a call at 800-227-9242 to set up an on-site visit, or drop by SheffieldPlaters.com.